Baotuo Paper Machinery Company Limited was founded in 2007 and is a national high-tech enterprise under Baosuo Enterprise Group, integrating R&D, manufacturing, sales, and installation and commissioning services of paper-making equipment. The company has sold more than 370 complete machines. According to the latest data released by the authoritative paper industry analysis agency Fast Markets RACI, from 2000 to 2025, the global total tissue capacity reached 46 million tons, among which Baotuo's paper machines accounted for 9.3% of the global total capacity, ranking third worldwide and first in China. Based on TWM 2025 project research data, there will be 147 paper machine projects worldwide in 2024 to 2025, and Baosuo Group will supply 93 of them, accounting for 63.3%. Since its establishment, Baotuo has adhered to the business philosophy of technology as the treasure, innovation as the drive, continuously absorbing advanced technologies and carrying out independent innovation. The company holds over 100 national patents, covering pulp and paper process R&D, complete paper-making equipment, and core key components. In 2022, it was recognized as the national hidden champion in Nanhai Manufacturing. Baotuo's core products include 6 major machine types: crescent former tissue machines, Fournier hand towel machines, TAD through air-dried multifunction tissue machines, suction former tissue machines, embossing tissue machines, and BPM hot air drying pulp board machines. Baotuo tissue machines have been exported to more than 50 countries and regions worldwide. Their overall performance, product quality, and energy saving and environmental protection features have reached international advanced levels, earning unanimous praise from both industry experts and users. Among them, the BC Series high-end crescent former tissue machine, developed by Baotuo, is a company's flagship product. Its design speed is 1,800 to 2,000 meters per minute, raw paper width 2.85 to 5.60 meters, and basis weight 11 to 42 grams per square meters, with a maximum annual output of 60,000 tons per single machine. This model has already been put into production by leading enterprises such as Hengan, Zhongshun, Asia Simbo, Xiang Paper, Lianman, Yongfeng Yu, and others. Key advantages of the BC series: high automation, equipped with Siemens control system supporting remote online diagnostics and services, which greatly enhances operation and maintenance response efficiency and system controllability. Low power consumption. A large number of permanent magnet motors are applied to both main drive and auxiliary equipment, together with optimized processes and energy-saving controls. This achieves around 15% energy savings, with power consumption as low as 250 to 300 kilowatt-hours per ton of paper. Low steam consumption, featuring a grooved steel Yankee dryer to improve drying efficiency and enlarge heat transfer area. Large diameter vacuum price rolls to widen price zone and increase web dryness, and hot air system applying multi-stage flash drying and multi-level waste heat recovery. Steam consumption per ton of paper is only 1.7 to 2.0 tons. Efficient and user-friendly operation. Full cantilever frame design reduces wire and felt replacement time to 2 hours. Headbox slice opening is automatically adjustable, enabling online adjustment of jet landing point and cross-direction basis weight. Equipped with high, low-pressure shower pipes with brushes to clean blocked nozzles without shutdown. DST twin airbag ductor blades allow precise pressure control via DCS. Only 2 operators per shift are required, significantly reducing labor costs. Stable and reliable performance. leveraging Baotuo's experience from over 300 successfully commissioned machines. Continuous optimization of equipment and process ensures stable operating efficiency of 98% or higher, meeting customers' needs for low downtime, high output, and high profitability. Looking ahead, in the face of new opportunities and challenges, Baotuo remains committed to its corporate mission of building the most suitable paper machines for customers and creating a brand highly respected in the industry. We adhere to innovation-driven development, uphold our commitment to quality, and continuously advance energy-saving and consumption-reducing practices, leveraging the deep technical expertise of Baosuo Enterprise Group in the fields of converting and packaging equipment. We will further integrate automation, informatization, digitalization, and intelligent technologies. In doing so, we empower customers to achieve comprehensive business upgrades, driving cost reduction, efficiency improvement, and sustainable growth. Our vision is to build greener, smarter, more efficient, and more value-driven overall solutions for the global tissue industry.